This is a BumGenius 3.0 that has been converted from the Velcro closure to the snap closure. And I got these for really cheap. I got 3 of them for $10. That was including shipping, off of Fluff Swappers, off of it's a Facebook page. And I will try to post a link below for that site. The reason why I got them for so cheap is because the person that converted them accidentally put the snaps all the way through instead of only putting them through the top layer. They're still usable. The only thing that is at your disadvantage really is these leave marks on your baby's stomach, but they work really great as covers. So you can use them as covers. I still use them as a regular pocket diaper. And what I do is, she's on the second row, so I'll just adjust it as if I was going to put it on her. And she's got tiny thighs, so I put the bottom snap in some, and then I put the upper snap back some so it doesn't make marks on her stomach. Another thing that I've done is I use this one for when she has rashes. I do not have any cloth diaper specific butt cream. I am on a pretty strict budget, which is why I cloth diaper and why I get most of mine secondhand. So what I usually do is I take an insert. This is the BumGenius insert, but I like to use longer ones. So this is a New Buns insert, and I put it on the inside. That way the butt cream does not stain this part, and this part can be bleached so you're not hurting your pull fabric. And then you just put this on top, and I usually put one inside as well just for extra absorbency. And then I put it on her like that, and that keeps it from leaving marks on her stomach. And it works pretty great. The chick that I bought them from recommended that I just use them as covers, but I prefer the pocket diapers over fitteds and covers, so this is the way I use it. Now I do have 2 or 3 fitteds if I wanted to use those, and the ones that I have are Dappy. They're Dappy fitteds, and if I were to use this as a cover, I would use it with one of these. And just use that inside. The only thing that I don't like is it's not very absorbent. The Dappy diaper isn't. So usually she starts fussing for a change pretty soon. So I have to kind of watch it on that. But otherwise it works perfectly. And that is a converted BumGenius diaper. And it is a one size, and I am pretty certain that it's a 3.0. Thanks for watching.